In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Asana. Maybe you've moved to a different team, switched companies, or you just don't need access to a particular workspace anymore. Leaving that workspace helps keep your Asana clean and make sure you only see projects and tasks that are actually relevant to you. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own account. Start by opening Asana in your browser. Once you're on the main Asana screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a circle with your initials or a picture, depending on how your profile is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can manage things related to your personal account and preferences. Go ahead and click on Settings. A new window or panel will open, usually in the center of the screen. Inside the Settings window, you'll see several tabs across the top. Find the tab labeled Account. This tab is where Asana keeps options related to your overall account, including the workspaces and organizations you're part of. Click on Account to bring up those options. Now, scroll through the Account section until you see an option that says, Remove me from this workspace, or something very similar. This is the control you'll use to leave the workspace you're currently viewing. Before you click it, just make sure you're in the workspace you actually want to leave, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Once you're certain, click on Remove me from this workspace. At this point, Asana will typically show you some on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to confirm that you really want to leave and to explain what will happen next. Carefully read any messages that appear. They may let you know what access you'll lose and that you'll be removed from projects and tasks in that workspace. Follow the prompts by clicking the confirmation buttons when you're ready. After you've confirmed, Asana will process the change and remove you from that workspace. You should no longer see it listed among your available workspaces, and you won't receive notifications from it anymore. That's all there is to it. You've successfully left an Asana workspace and cleaned up your